What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am on my way to Christian's house right now. He picked up a new car last night, or he bought a new car last night, needs help picking it up. So I hopped in the Raptor. We're going to go swing by, either pick him up or take his BRZ, and then go pick up the new car. So I can show you it, but I just gotta stop for gas real quick. Alright guys, so we got fuel, and now I'm just gonna head up to Christian's house. It takes about an hour, so catch up with you guys when I get there.
Wait, I gotta...
Just putting the car seat in right now, but we did just unwrap his brand new his B5 S4.
These things don't have car seat anchors?
They may not.
I don't think they do.
Ooh, that's gonna make that interesting. You got Lil taking photos. I know my windows hella dirty, but got his B5 Audi S4. He just set the seats up and everything, so we can start driving home. I think it's super clean. I think we're gonna give it a wash today. I'll probably do a quick montage while we do that. But we're gonna follow him home.
It feels like a broken motor mount.
Going for a test drive. Well, technically, it's ride along because he's already got it. Got it home, but I finally get to go for a ride. Weird European car. That makes it make sense. We're just doing a DIY day at the house today, just me and Christian, kind of chilling, hanging out. Fired up the Mini for the first time in a couple of weeks. Had to jump start the battery, so I'm just letting it idle and try to charge the battery a little bit. It's been having some issues. I need to get on the lift, but I couldn't start it. In the meantime, we've been working on Christian's new S4. New to him S4, so doing a boost gauge install today. Might get adventurous, do an oil change, get it up on the lift. I'm busy cleaning the garage, trying to reorganize it. I'm gonna kind of move a bunch of stuff around to change the whole layout, but kind of knocking stuff out. Pretty sure all we've managed to do so far is make a mess.
Hey.
But in real, we've got the gauge installed, running the boost line right now. Everything's installed pretty much car side. We got in the interior side, and then we've got the boost gauge run up through the grommet, and pretty much just need to hook it all up to the motor to actually get the boost levels. So got a bunch of the panels off and slowly moving on. And then I finally turned the Mini off. I let it run for probably about 20 to 30 minutes and started melting the diffuser again. So I got to turn it off, and then I'll restart it later, move it into the garage, see what's going on with the front end. Alright Alright guys, so Christian just took off with his daughter, and our buddy Jake was over for a little bit trying to help out with the cars, getting a ride along in Christian's new car. But spent a lot of time doing his car. We got the boost gauge all installed. Took a little bit longer than we thought it would, but it's done. Reads about 5 PSI. It's, I mean, it's a stock S4 for now, so hopefully we can do some more work to it later. But he just bought the car, so kind of just doing some final checks and stuff. I ran a VACCOM cable to it, did some more in-depth diagnostics besides the normal issue, you know, besides like a normal OBD2 read. So we got that all figured out. I got the Mini in the garage. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on the lift. We kind of focused on some other stuff earlier today, but I did get it started. It hasn't been started in about two months, I guess. I parked it shortly after the last event, so now that I've got it in the garage, I can take a look at it in another video, but I'll go ahead and follow up with you guys in another video. See you guys later.